Blue on blue on blue, blue, blue. And my walls are blue. Backsplashing your kitchen wall. You'll need to remove your fixtures. Check and make sure that your backdrop is leveled. Purchase subway tiles. I have stick and stay 1/16 spacers. You'll need some device. I'm using a smaller device since I have a small amount of space. A hand towel cutter. Normally, if you wanted to make a cut, which I'm going to do down the side here, you place the towel in here and roll. It's a ball on the end of here. Roll it across the towel. You press down and you crack. If you wanted smaller cuts, come across diagonal, you place the towel this way. Roll, place down and cut. Start at the back of the towel. Just like that. Cut. It broke. A soft, gentle push. And some gloves. We are going to cut our half marks to actually place every other. So a half will go here, a whole towel on top, another half at the very top. That's how much space you can measure to get your correct measurements. I have yellow wall paint and I painted it to that blue color. I got them quotes from people. I'm gonna save myself some money. This is that one. Put your spacers in there. Now I'm working on my little final pieces. Nothing but a little work.
Light work, huh?
No sweat required. Work from home with your kiddo. Backsplash complete. Grout. You want to make sure the grout lines are filled. Next, you'll want to come through here and wipe it off. Wipe all of it away. There it goes. Let's look at it up close. Wow. Blue, blue. And my walls are blue.